Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and today's topic is the model-based definition query. It turns out that a lot of time is wasted and a lot of money is wasted when geometry goes from design to manufacturing with mistakes that have been made in the product manufacturing information. So, most cases, we're under the gun. We've got to get something manufactured. Got to get our product on the market quickly, and in order to do that, we're these days using the model-based definition principles. We're putting product manufacturing information on the model, as shown in this little example here. But sometimes in our zeal, we can be doing it so quickly that there's mistakes made. So when the mistakes are made and not caught, that is where the problem lies. And none of us is perfect, at least I'm not. I did make a mistake once in the 70s. Anyway. So in order to progress, what we now have is the in the reuse library, you can find the model-based definition query logical rules. There's many of them. For example, you go to the geometry model-based design query logical rules, you can see that there's a number of things that you could do. For example, if I want to find the different holes in my model, I can just double click on this and say OK. And it looks through the entire model and it shows me all the holes. So it can easily show me where perhaps holes were made without using the hole function, just a cylindrical subtract or something like that. That's cool. Or you can go into the General tab, and for example, you can find the PMI that is associated with edges and not faces. In general, you should do your PMI associated with faces. If I double click on this little icon right here and say OK, you can see it highlights very quickly the dimensions that were put on edges and not faces. In this case, this particular case, these dimensions had to be on edges and not faces, but at least it shows you where those are. You can go into, let's say, dimension. Let's say I want to find duplicate dimensions. Double click on there and say okay, and oh, there you go. It looks like somebody accidentally put this angle here. This angle has the plus or minus tolerance. This one doesn't, so you can do that and find all of these queries. Of course, this is in addition to the fact that you can go into the advisor. If you go into the PMI tab and go to advise, and of course you can quickly find the GD&T callouts that are in error. This one has a perpendicularity to plane A, and in reality plane A is here, so the plane that this is pointing to is actually parallel. So it shows you that. It shows you dimension without a tolerance. And what else? Associated geometry. It shows you exactly what it's complaining about here. Then you can open up the note and see exactly what it's warning you about. So there's a number of tools, fantastic tools here in NX that allow you to ensure that when you send your product definition data to manufacturing, it's been checked by, of course, a person, because usually there's a checker, but you don't always get everything. In this way, it makes it very, very easy to ensure that the manufacturing information that you're sending to manufacturing, I should say the product definition data that you're sending to manufacturing, actually been validated and going to be a more streamlined process. You will save a ton of money. Thank you very much. My name is Steve Samuel, and if you've appreciated this video, please like and subscribe. Please tell about 1,000 of your closest friends that this YouTube channel is here, and give us feedback and let us know what you might want to see. It's very, very enjoyable to do these, and we really enjoy the comments. Thank you very much.